To file state taxes only, you will need to follow a series of steps that will guide you through the process. First, determine if you need to file state taxes only, which typically applies to individuals who do not have a federal tax obligation but have a state tax obligation. Next, gather all necessary documents including your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant income statements. You will also need to gather any receipts or records for deductions or credits you are claiming. Then check with your state tax authority to determine the specific forms and requirements for filing state taxes only in your state. Each state has its own unique forms and filing requirements, so it is essential to check with your state tax authority to ensure you are using the correct forms. Once you have gathered all necessary documents and determined the correct forms to use, you can begin filling out your state tax return. Be sure to carefully follow the instructions and answer all questions accurately. If you are unsure about any part of the process, consider consulting a tax professional or using tax preparation software. After completing your state tax return, you will need to submit it to your state tax authority. This can usually be done online or by mail, and you should receive confirmation once your return has been received and processed. It is also important to note that some states offer free or low-cost tax preparation services for eligible individuals, so be sure to check with your state tax authority to see if you qualify. Additionally, if you are due a refund, you can typically expect to receive it within a few weeks of filing your state tax return. Finally, keep in mind that filing state taxes only may require additional forms or information, so be sure to carefully review the instructions and requirements for your specific state to ensure you are in compliance with all tax laws and regulations. By following these steps and seeking professional help when needed, you can ensure that you are filing your state taxes accurately and efficiently.